Galena Creek Trail just south of Reno, up Mount Rose. And we're out here to play in the snow with Ollie Boy. It's our dog's first real outing in snow. From the looks of it, he's fine. One of the things I love about living in Reno is that we're so close to the mountains, so we can come out and do snow activities. It's such a nice perk of the Reno area. You have the Sierras nearby, obviously Lake Tahoe, and cool little places like this. We can just get away. Love it. Are we out of the woods yet? Are we out of the woods yet? Are we out of the woods yet? Are we out of the woods? Remember when you hit the brakes too soon? 20 stitches in the hospital room. But the monsters turned out to be just trees. We are an hour in, a mile and a quarter.
Really, a mile in?
Yeah, only 320 feet of elevation gain so far. So this is clearly a hike with great views. You're gonna stop a lot to take pictures and stuff, if that's your thing. Let's give it a go. Go, Ollie.
All right, let's give it a go.
Go. We decided not to go to the top because Babe is too tired.
Don't tell them.
Not the true reason. We just weren't into it today. Sometimes it just be like that. Good job, Babe.
Well done, that was fun.
Did you have a good time?
Yes. I think the one that had the best time though was this guy.
Yeah, I think Ollie had a good time too. Now we're gonna go have a post-hike beer, per usual.
This way.